Vikings. The Vikings first raided Scotland in 795. They targeted Iona Abbey, then led to a series of raids and attacks till eventually the Vikings claimed the land on the west coast of Scotland. The Vikings lived on the Scottish Islands behind me here. In 1249, King Alexander III became King of Scotland. King Alexander had enough and reclaimed his land. King Hagen heard about this. He was outraged. He commanded 160 landships to the western coast of Scotland. They moored just off the coast of Ireland. The two kings began negotiating. King Hagen became angry and frustrated. He decided to go on a raiding trip. Up Loch, they carried the boats from America to Tarbet. They sailed on Loch, attacking and winning as they went. This is Loch Lomond. They sailed down it to the head of River Lomond. They raided and plundered as they went. And then the 60 landships sailed down the River Lomond. This is the River Lomond. The Vikings sailed down here. Then they came to Dumbarton Castle, which they also attacked. To complete the round trip. And on the rest of the fleet on the first of Clyde. King Alexander, meanwhile, was prepared for an attack. He positioned his men from here up to Loch. King Alexander prayed for a storm. His prayers were answered. King Hagen moved his fleet to find calmer waters. This is the stretch of water that the landships were. Some of the landships were swept onto the beach at Loch. Most of the Norwegian soldiers were on the beach. A small number were on a hill. When those on the hill saw the Scots, they realised that they were going to be cut off, so began running down the hill to join the other Vikings. The Vikings misunderstood and thought they were retreating, and they all started running away, hoping to board their landships. Then on the big flags they turned to face the Scots. It was the battle at Loch. The defeated Vikings turned and fled to the ships. Never to return.